All right, we're going to head into the practice exam for Word Chapter 5. Let's see here. I'm on my activity list. And again, I'll have this video available in case you have any questions or issues. But again, I'm going to warn you, don't just have my video up and then work your questions along with it. You're not getting the benefit of kind of what I call that struggle in learning, or trying to work through issues yourself first prior to actually getting the help you need to be successful. And also be very deliberate about areas as you're moving through this, areas that you're struggling with, that you understand why you're missing questions. Maybe you missed a question on this practice exam, and don't just let it go, set it aside and go, well, I got 90%, I only missed 3 or whatever. Be very deliberate about and ruthless about finding areas where you need to get a better understanding. Maybe Google something to figure something out. Okay? Waiting for my question to load. All right, so here we're doing a theme color. Up on my design tab, drop down arrow for colors. I'm going to do a customized color. We did this in our demo. We called it resume text, I think. But here we go, customized colors. All right. For the hyperlink down here. Whoops, let's just back off there. Drop down arrow. Standard colors red for hyperlink, like so. For the followed hyperlink, drop down arrow. Followed means you've actually clicked on the hyperlink. Standard colors dark blue. Is that dark blue? That's blue. That's dark blue. There we go. Okay. Hyperlink, followed hyperlink. And we're going to call this, call it precision. Okay. We have precision theme colors. It's saved. Okay. That's theme colors. All right, question 2 out of 25, set a custom top margin of 1.2. All right, this is going to be up on our layout tab under margins and custom. And my mouse pointer is already selected 1 inch. I'm just going to type right over the top of that 1.2 for a custom top margin. Okay. Boom bob. Okay. Place the insertion point immediately. Let's drag this up. I guess I don't need to. Immediately after the space at the end of the second line. That's the second line. And immediately after the space at the end of the second line. Is that the second line? That looks like the second line. Oh, after the space at the end of the second line of the fourth body paragraph. Okay. Fourth body paragraph. That'd be right here. Sorry about that. I'll read the question. Okay. Non-breaking space. All right, that'd be Control Shift Spacebar. Whoops. Wait, what's the fourth body paragraph? Maybe I've got the wrong paragraph. Fourth body paragraph. Second line after the space. Timeout. Let's try that again. Control Shift Space. Okay, it said hit backspace. I'll read my directions again here. Let's go back up here. Backspace. There we go. Control Shift Spacebar. Yes, I did it correctly. All right, that's called a non-breaking space. It kept my 8 a.m. together. Create and save a custom theme font named Custom PB that uses Comic Sans MS as the heading font. So I'm going to go to my design tab, to fonts. Okay, we're really getting fancy here with some of our stuff here in Word. We're getting into some of the more advanced types of formatting. Customized fonts. Heading font. I'll run my mouse pointer through Corbel. I'm going to start typing Comic. There's Comic Sans MS. All right. And for our name, we're going to call this Custom PB. Custom theme font Comic Sans MS. Hit save. Alright. On to question 5. Save the fonts, colors, and effects applied to the current document as a new theme. Design tab. Drop down arrow next to theme. Save current theme. If you want to use it again for another document, we're going to call this workshop. Okay. We can use it again, like I said, for other documents. We like it so much. Question 6, change the document theme to organic, the third option in the second row in the Office gallery. Okay, Design tab. And I'm going to hit the, let's see here, my themes option over here. I had to figure out what I was doing here. And I'm selecting the organic, which again is going to change the colors, the fonts, the layouts, all that stuff. Organic theme. You'll find yourself using themes a lot in PowerPoint as well. Change the theme fonts to Georgia. Design tab. Fonts. And let's go find Georgia. There's Georgia right there. Again, changes the look and feel of the text in your document. Change the theme effect to top shadow. Design it tab. Now we're getting to something that wasn't in my demo. Theme effects to top shadow. Let's see here. Theme effects. There we go. Top shadow right there. I'm not exactly sure what that did, but I hope you do. Okay. In the first body paragraph, copy the text Precision Builders. And my mouse pointer through Precision Builders. And copy it. And paste it in the blank title paragraph at the beginning of the document. Is that up here? Ooh, it is. Paste it. Alright, however, I want to have it match the destination paragraph. So I think I'm going to say keep text only. Ooh. I messed up. Try that again. Copy. Control C. Up there to paste. Paste options. What do we want here? Merge formatting. Picture. Keep text only. I think I'm the merge formatting. That's what I want. There we go. That's what we want. So we're bringing it into the document. We want to keep the text of the title that we had selected there at the top. Copy the modern look row and paste it above the return on investments row. So I'm going to click over here on the left and copy. Control C. Click to the left of return investments. I think I can do this and paste. And that wasn't it. Well, I'm making all kinds of mess ups here, aren't I? I'm going to left click off to the left there. Control C. How about if I come down here and paste? There we go. I can put my insertion point just to the left of return on investments. Create a quick part named Precision from the first two paragraphs in the document, which include the company name and address line. Okay. So I'm going to run my mouse pointer through all of that. Okay. Maybe I'm going to be using this over and over again. I'm going to click on Insert. And way over here to my text group. Quick Parts. Save selection to Quick Part Gallery. We're going to call this Precision. Okay. So I can use that again if I want to. Question 12, select the PB logo at the upper left-hand corner of the page and create a building block based on the selected object and save it with the name PB logo in the Quick Parts gallery. So I'm going to click on that little logo there. All right. Insert again. Insert's kind of counterintuitive because you're actually not inserting, you're saving something in your Quick Parts, right? Save selection to Quick Parts Gallery. And we're going to call this PB Logos. This time we're saving a graphic item to my Quick Parts. All right. Question 13. Click and drag to resize the prose column so that each entry in the column appears on one line approximately at 1.5 inches on the ruler. So I'm going to put my mouse pointer, crosshair right next to that divider there. Check my ruler up there at the top. See how I'm dragging over? I'm checking it out so it's right at about 1.5 right there. Okay, then that widened. And then resize the prose row so that the height stops just under the row text. So I'm going to click to the left, select that row, mouse pointer on the floor down there, the bottom of that row. I'm going to drag up so I'm right underneath the text. Let up. Graphics aren't the greatest on that one, but it's close enough, right? In the inside address, change the name back to where. That's Autocorrect Options. So I'm going to click on Autocorrect Options. I think we might have seen this before. Change back to where. I don't know how you pronounce that. Maybe you do. That was question 14. Create a style named Tips 1 based on the Tip 1 Take Time to Research Contractors paragraph. Okay. So I'm going to select that entire row. Okay. I'm going to create a style. Drop down arrow for more styles. Create a style. I'm going to call this Tips 1. That's the style I want to use later on. Question 16, reveal the formatting for the first body paragraph, which begins with these guidelines tell you. And I think I can do Shift F1 here. No, I can't. Time out. Well, you know what? I messed up on question 16, and I tried, but it didn't work. I'll catch that at the end here of my demo here. Vertically aligned text in the center of the current page. Okay, I'm on question 17 now. So let's just set 16 aside because I obviously messed up. I'll go out back and catch that at the end here. Layout tab. All right. Page setup dialog box launcher. Layout area of that. And here's my vertical alignment. Again, I'm going to center it top to bottom on the page. Like so. Alrighty. In the blank paragraph at the beginning of the document, insert the precision quick part. That would be right up here. Okay, insert quick parts in my text group, quick parts. And there's my precision. Remember I saved that before? Here it comes back. Precision quick part. Kind of a letterhead that I'm using. Drop into my document. That's very nice. Print that on a laser printer, color laser, would be awesome. Export the document as a PDF file in the Documents folder without changing the current file name. Backstage view, file, and export. And I want to export it as a PDF. Create PDF XPS. It's going to my Documents folder with that default file name. And I'm going to say publish. Okay. Question 20. Check the current document for compatibility with previous Word versions. Backstage view, file, check for issues, check compatibility. Does it work with previous Word versions? Close the dialog box when done. Okay, I'll do that. There you go. All right. Question 21. In Backstage View, email the document as an attachment using jakepb.com as the recipient. Didn't really cover this in our demo, but maybe you can figure this out. File, Backstage View, share. I've done this a few times, by the way. As an attachment. Please upload a copy of the document to OneDrive. No, I want to attach it. Email the document as an attachment. Word document. Okay, there you go. We're going to send this to Jake. Let's spell this right. Jake at... Wait, what just happened there? I don't know what happened. That was weird. Didn't like what I was typing. Let's try that again. File and share. And we're going to do this as a Word attachment. The recipient is Jake at pb.com. And I'm going to send that to Jake. See you later, Jake. That was fun. All right. Question 22 and last body paragraph. format the text contact me. Contact me. Run my mouse pointer through that. Yes. Insert. Now again, in Word 2019, this should show as link over here. Hit the drop down arrow. Just say insert link. There we go. Okay. As an email address to pat.blake@pb.com, and then close. Okay. Sure, I can. That closed the dialog box. Emailing is a hyperlink. It's automatically going to happen. It's going to open that up in an email software. Task 23 of 25. Enter the screen tip Precision Builders website for the PB Builders hyperlink. So I'm going to right click on this hyperlink. I think I can do that. And edit hyperlink. All right. And let's see here. Let's go down to email address. And we're putting in a screen tip up here. Again, the screen tip is what's going to show up when you drag your mouse pointer over that text. And it didn't like that at all. And let's try this again. Hopefully I don't mess this one up. I'm just going to run my mouse pointer through that whole thing. I'm going to right click, edit hyperlink. Okay. I guess this wasn't an email. That's where I went wrong. I clicked on email address. It's just a web link. Okay. So we're just putting in a regular link to a website. Here I'm going to say screen tip. And I'm going to say Precision Builders website as the screen tip for the hyperlink. So again, here is the link. When you click on it, it will take you out directly to an existing website on your browser. I'm going to click on OK to record that screen tip. Question 24. Edit the hyperlink in the first body paragraph. That'd be this guy up here. To use Precision Builders as a text to display, so I'm going to right click, edit hyperlink. Text to display. Let's see here, text to display. So up here, rather than the website, I'm going to say Precision Builders. Okay. And the web address as, looks like we're just doing pb.com. www.pb.com as a web address. Click OK. There's your editing your hyperlink. Question 25, before we skip back to 16. Apply the basic simple style set, the first option, the style gallery, to the document. Okay. All right, so boy, I'm messing up on a couple of these here. Question 25. I'm going to go to my design tab. You have your style sets up here on your document formatting paragraph group. I'm not sure why that popped up. The first option in the style set gallery is what? Let me click on the more button. What do I get when I do that? That's down here. Basic simple. There you go. That's going to change the entire look and feel of my document. And that was question 25. I'm going to go back to do number 16 here and do it correctly this time. Won't you appreciate that? Okay. Okay, there was a reason why I forgot to do how to do 16. It's very convoluted. Ordinarily you do Shift F1. Again, reveal formatting shows you all the stuff that's happening in the background. Well, oh my goodness, this is very difficult. You will not see this on a certification exam. I'm going to highlight that text. I'm going to go to my Styles dialog box launcher. Move my instructions out of the way. Go down to Style Inspector. Whoops. Let's try that again. Okay, let's go click down on that text. And let's go down to these guidelines tell you. Actually, that's not what I was looking for. Style dialog box launcher. I'm on subtle emphasis, which I missed again. I'll get this right. Trust me, I'll get it right. I will. We will get there. Okay. Style dialog box launcher. There we go. Down at the bottom, 2. Style inspector. There's style inspector. Here is reveal formatting. Boy, wasn't that hard. Number 16. We finally got it. Reveal formatting. Again, Shift F1 will do the same thing. Show everything that's in the background. And we're done. Thank you, man. I missed a few on that little practice exam. Kind of got some of the cobwebs out. And from here, you will go and do the project for Word Chapter 5. Thank you for watching.